Blessings, everybody, and welcome back. We are on day 6. So let's go ahead and get to it. So here is my starter here. Take the top off, and as you can see, it rolls up really high, almost to the edge. And once it needs to be fed again, it deflates. So it went all the way back down. So we are going to discard. Yes, we're going to discard. I got my filtered water here, and so I am going to discard 4 tablespoons of the starter. So I have a 2 tablespoon measure. So I'm doing 2 of these makes 4, as you guys know already. And I just took a little bit extra out because it's a lot that be on the actual measuring spoon too. And excuse my grandbaby, my granddaughter in the background, Ladybug. She just had to come and mess with Mimi while I'm filming. So I'm going to just clean this off because I'm going to use the same measuring spoon for the water and the flour. Look at her, just looking in the camera. She was like, "What you doing, Mimi?" Okay, so just throw that away. Just discard. Get rid of it. Don't keep it. Okay. So now I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of filtered water. And this water is from my Berkey. Alright, so that is 4 tablespoons. And I always use a little more flour than water, as you will see. Dry this off so none of the flour stick to it. Get my little spatula. And I'm just going to mix it a little bit before I add the flour in. Alright, so we're going to do 2 tablespoons of flour. And it's like a heaping 4 tablespoons. I'm sorry, 4 tablespoons. It's like a heaping. Then I add a little bit extra. But as you're going to see later on, I add a little bit more because I like my consistency to be like biscuit batter or pancake batter. Not too runny and not too thick, as you'll see. And so as I'm mixing it, it still seems watery or just too liquefied. So I add more flour. Just trying to get all the lumps out. And yep, more flour. It's probably like half a tablespoon maybe. Or maybe 1 tablespoon. I would say 1 tablespoon. It was like half of that measuring cup, that measuring spoon. So I'm just gonna mix. As I'll show you here, this is the consistency that I like it. Nice and thick. Gotta clean the sides, as you can see, because it rose so high yesterday. It's all on the sides of my jar. But that's okay, because I will end up, once the starter is established, I will put it in a bigger jar. And see how I like that consistency? Like, instead of just constantly dripping, it's a slow drip. Alrighty. Just scrape these sides down. Try to get as much down as possible. But a lot of this has dried out already. So yeah, how you guys liking it so far? Let me know down in the comment section. And it's not too late to start your sourdough journey. You can just follow along with me. So go back to day 1 and go from there. And of course, Ladybug come and bug me again. Just so nosy. I had to tell her, "Go, girl, get out the camera. Mimi filming." Alright, so pretty much I'm back at the level I started with. Just I have to move the rubber band just a smidge, but pretty much I'm right there at where I started, as you can see here. Alright, so I'm just gonna put on my cap and put on this rubber band, and just so you guys know, it has already started to rise. It was in because it's really warm in my home, so it's already went above the rubber band level. So I'll see you guys in day 7. Shalom.